When you delete a board, all the pins inside that board are removed from your profile. If the board contains pins that belong to you, deleting it will remove your version of the pins everywhere. If the board contains pins you saved from other people, deleting the board only removes your copies. The original pins and other users' saves are not affected. How deleting and moving pins work. Go to the board where the pin is saved. Click on the pin to open it. To edit the pin, click the three dots on the pin and select Edit Pin. If the pin is the original, the editing menu will open from the side. On different devices, the menu layout may change. This menu lets you change the link, description, or move the pin to a different board. If the pin is a copy of another board, the editing opens in the middle of the page, and some options, like changing the link or description, are not available. If you want to add the pin to another board without moving it, click Save from the main pin view. Choose the new board and save. This keeps the original pin in place and creates a copy on the new board. If you want to move the original pin to a new board, open the pin in the original board, click the three dots, and select Edit Pin. From here, choose a different board. This removes the pin from the original board and moves it to the new board. If you delete a pin, here is what happens. If you delete the pin from the board where it was originally created, it is deleted everywhere, completely removed from your account. If you delete a pin from a shared board, even if it is your original pin, but the board is not the first place you saved it, the pin will remain on the original board. If you delete a board that contains original pins, all the original pins on that board are removed completely from your account, even if copies exist on other boards. This is why it's important to be careful when deleting boards with original content. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.